To buy energy on Temu, you first need to access the application. This can be done by searching for Temu in your browser and typing in the website's URL, which will redirect you to the site, or by downloading the Temu app from the App Store. Once installed, you can explore the various features of the application. The homepage offers a range of options, including best sellers, categories, and your profile, as well as support. However, as of now, there is no feature that allows you to buy energy on Temu. Instead, you can browse the various categories, such as home and kitchen, women's and men's clothing, shoes, and more. Since the energy feature is not currently available, you can still access and explore the other amazing features on the application. Unfortunately, buying energy on Temu is not applicable at this time.